Okay guys, welcome to the next video on our Desk Tidy series. Today we are going to be cutting out the hole for the pens to go in. I'm only going to do that one function today, but I am going to show you three different ways of doing it, and hopefully by doing it in three separate ways you'll understand how sketch relations work with the objects around it. Okay, so let's have a look at our drawing first. So we can see here that this is a 56mm diameter inner circle. The outside is a 60mm diameter circle, which gives us a wall thickness of 2mm. Alright, so let's go ahead and get on with it. First of all, we're going to sketch that inner circle and cut it down. So as we are used to doing now, we're going to open a sketch and we will be sketching on this top surface, right? There we go. Double check it, make sure it's the correct one that you picked. Just to prove a point that we can only sketch on flat surfaces, it won't let me click the cylinder, right, because it's not a flat surface. So sketch plane, that surface, right click, view normal to sketch plane. Okay, let's go through the different ways of doing it. First one's going to be the easiest. Okay, we essentially want a second circle inside here, offset by 2mm, or with a diameter of 56mm, right? It's the same thing. I'm going to go ahead and pick the center point rectangle. And if we come towards the center of that, you'll see that little box, you know, the box we used to see in the sketch box, the lock-in box rather, and there's another icon under that with two circles. So that tells you that what we are going to draw will share the same center point of that circle, right? So we're going to go ahead and draw another circle, escape, dimension it, and give it our 56mm length, right? That's one way to do it. And we're going to go ahead and accept the sketch, and we're going to cut that down. Right, extrude, remove, pick that inner circle, look at the drawing again. It's going to go down to 80mm from the top, and going to change that to 80 and accept it. There we go, done. Right, let's take it the second way now. This is also a good time to look at how the feature tree has been populated. Okay, you can see you've got sketch 1, extrude 1, and if you just go over it, it'll highlight on your actual model what they are. Okay, so we are going to delete extrude 2 and sketch 5. So just click them and hit delete on your keyboard. Okay, so the second way to do it now, same deal, sketch, top surface, right click, view normal to sketch plane. I'm going to go ahead and draw a circle anywhere within that. Right, hit escape to get out of it. And what we are going to do is we are going to place this circle in the middle by clicking that, by defining a relationship between this circle and that circle. Okay, those two. So essentially what we're going to do is your relationships icon here, you might have this fully visible. Mine isn't because I've dropped my resolution for this. Just click on the down arrow, click on concentric. Right, concentric means the two circles share the same center. Okay, click that and click this and the bigger circle, and you'll see that that goes to the middle. By the way, hit escape to get out of it. That goes to the middle, and the center point is now black, which means it's not going to move. Okay, but the actual circumference isn't yet, so we still need to define that by dimensioning it to 56mm. Enter. Alright, then we can go ahead and do the extruded cut or the remove as per usual. Okay, 80 down. There we go. Accept that. It's done again. Okay, let's go ahead and delete those two one more time to look at the last way of doing it. Same deal again, we have to start with the sketch. That doesn't change. Right, sketch plane. There we go. Right click, view normal to sketch plane. Okay, here's we're gonna use a function called offset. Okay, essentially what we're doing is we're taking this circle and we are going to draw another one on the inside that's 2 millimeters offset from it, right, which gives us a diameter of 56. So what we're going to do, see this little button over here, that's the offset tool, right? You click that, and if you click on the circumference of this, it'll draw this sketch out for you, right? But we don't want it on the outside, we want it on the inside. So grab this arrow and just pull it in wherever, hit enter. Right, you can change the measurement here, or you can double click, so just hit the dimension button, double click, and set that to 2 mil. Right, which then again, if you wanted to cross check it, gives us a diameter of 56 degrees because it's offset by 2. Okay, and same thing, accept the sketch, extrude, remove that one, down to 80. Enter, accept it. There we go, guys. Okay, it's a shorter video this week, or this video rather, but I do want you to practice those 3 methods. Just keep going over this video and those steps as much as you can, and just kind of get used to it, right? You'll figure out which way works for you. That's not essentially only for circles, right? You can offset that. You can offset anything, any edge onto a sketch. So yeah, that's it. Like I said, short video today, and we'll see you on the next one. Stay safe.